3/4 the way to second base by the time he had a chance to try and get him.
Contact. He's coming home. Uribe's throw is not in time. Upton got to the back door and beat the play at the plate. And Atlanta will in all likelihood challenge this one too. Upton outran the baseball and was called safe. We'll review it.
Boy, ball in the dirt, handled by Bethancourt, and there's no doubt that he's out. No doubt. Nice play by Bethancourt. See, the front leg that he was sliding with never touched the plate. It hit the ground, bounced, then the back leg trailed, but he had already been tagged by that point.
It's almost, Joe, like the front spikes, once they hit the dirt, stopped it.
Yeah.
And the crowd saw the same replay we saw. This one should be overturned.
That was some great glove work by Christian.
He's out. So that call's overturned, and that cuts off a